Get ready for the most epic and funniest car fails that spiral into full-blown disasters. From funny road rage mistakes to pouring gasoline on people's face. So grab your popcorn because these clips are about to make you laughing so hard that your neighbors might think you crashed something. On the first clip, this guy was trying to show off with a launch control of his crazy engine mods on his cars to his friends. Little that he knew, it became a disaster. Some cars just aren't designed for big-size people. Just another casual day with the smoothless road to drive until this guy shows up. When you brought the wrong car and didn't realize the boot space is that small. It's your first day on the job, and this guy ruins it in a big time. This woman clearly has no common sense when it comes to washing a car. Good luck to this man for driving a topless car in the pouring rain.
Pero querían hacerse madre de
Sometimes water bottle is also pretty handy in a certain situation. Gosh, it was painful to watch. A former Russian mayor went berserk inside a Moscow shopping mall by driving a Ferrari California inside the center and performed burnouts. Is that a Rolls-Royce Wraith on top of a Hummer? Well, this is how you save an additional cost for transporting your luxury vehicle. It's always such a shame to see your dream car absolutely totaled by newbies trying to show off. This is what happens when you put your Porsche in free gear. Ouch. Clearly, this Lamborghini Urus driver is drunk. He did not hesitate to go through the hydraulic stainless steel barriers. Can you imagine the damages under that Lamborghini Urus?
What the fuck?
At this point, just invent a car with horizontal tires. Mechanic brothers are getting creatively dumber by the day. This braking test showcases the amazing built quality of a Volkswagen car. have no idea who finds that fun, but it's definitely a wild moment seeing your own car get scraped like that, driving through endless barricades. Some people are just too rich to drive boring Ferrari cars when you can cruise around in a Ferrari boat. Well, that's the benefit of having a low supercar, and this Lamborghini wins it all. Excuse me, sir, I think you are in the wrong direction. This 4x4 car is testing its own limits and managed to pull off a massive rock. Red flag. This is not how you swerving around the roads. Only in China, you will see a custom Audi as unique as this. There goes the expensive camera. Some people just doesn't give up that easily. Bet those operators must be fried right now. This is what happens when you leave your car door open in the middle of the jungle.
Don't fuck with the Mercedes. Oh shit.
Ha! Even the bear was totally confused, like, where did that scream come from? Surprisingly, this Nissan GTR can actually drive on the sand.
Yo, somebody had a bad day. Oh my God.
There goes the job and generational debt for that truck driver.
Yo.
It is so painful to see such an expensive car gets ruined by a single driver's mistake. I guess the hole isn't big enough to fit a Range Rover. I'm not sure how the insurance is going to cover this.
What is this dude doing?
The good news is no one was hurt here. Bad news, the driver's Jeep is going to be in a pretty bad shape after this.
What the hell is this guy doing?
Literally, this woman doesn't even know what car she's driving. I mean, it's not that hard to look back or check your surroundings. This is how people wash their filthy luxury cars in China. Can someone please explain how is this possible? I guess they took this stop sign too literally. When automatic gates start to malfunction, it becomes a mess for you and your car. I guess this guy had a pretty bad day. If you think that's horrendous, check out this spooky self-driving pickup truck with no driver inside of it. Never underestimate the suspension power of 4x4 cars. Pretty sure something must be broken under that steering wheel.
This nigga playing a game with the steering wheel and the actual...
I seriously don't think you need to benchmark your car like it's a gaming PC. Can someone please tell this guy he forgot to put his tires back? This is how you blow the dust out of your supercars. Well, props to this granny. When you think you are the fastest car to overtake other vehicles on the right lanes, but ends up being the slowest car on the road. I gotta say, this is quite a creative way to replace your fuel cover. Well, I can tell that this mechanic has no idea what he's doing. Same goes to the car's owners. Some guy in Africa builds a custom homemade Formula 1 out of cardboards. That's a decent build, I gotta say.
I love these kids, man.
Now here's a real Formula 1 car. Instead of looking cool, driving a Formula 1 car on the street, the driver ended up getting a ticket from a policewoman for illegal parking. On the last clip, we're gonna talk about this guy. Meet Gordo.xj, a popular Brazilian digital creator and influencer. He is known not just for his love of motorcycles, but also for his hilarious attempts to squeeze into exotic cars that were clearly not designed with him in mind. Despite his larger-than-life physique, he never backs down from the challenge. Whether it's a Lamborghini, Ferrari, or McLaren, Gordo gives it his all, often turning heads and sparking laughter as he wrangles his way behind the wheel. His determination, charm, and sense of humor make every attempt an unforgettable spectacle.
Não, essa matemática não tá que ele tá conseguindo virar o volante todo. Olha lá, não tô... Calma aí, deixa eu tentar virar o volante todo. Olha o bagulho, tá dentro de uma Bugatti. Saca! Saca! Saca o Bugatti! Grava aí, Neres, do meu.
Here's a video of him trying to get inside a Bugatti Chiron. Let's see if the W16 Beast can handle his exceptional weight or not.
Menos 70 que se fosse
Menos 70 que se fosse há uns dias atrás. Eu acho que não cabe.
Vai, tenta. Foi.
Ai, caralho. Calma aí.
Aí, vai entrar, vai dar certo. Vai dar certo.
Entrou.
Entrou. Pô,
Saca o Bugatti.
Fecha, cuidado. Ô,
Calma aí. Tem que
cuidado,
abaixar
pai,
aqui,
que só essa porta aí
Ah,
é
é?
tanto, vai. Vai. Bora.
Entrou!
Saca o Bugatti. Que miserável.